Hi guys, it's Sandy here and I'm finally doing this highly requested video, and that is trying out American sweets, chocolates and candies. Now, I ordered a few stuff from a shop called Sweetie Box. I will put the link down below in the description. These are just some of the things I got. It's really just chocolates and sweets and stuff, and I'll just go through them one by one and test them. All the stuff actually smells really nice. I'm definitely getting a tummy ache after this video, so please give this video a thumbs up because I spent my money on this and I hope you enjoy. Let's get straight into this. First up, I really want to try this Hersheys cookies and cream chocolate. I must say this chocolate is looking very skinny, so I hope it's good, you know, like Lindt chocolate. Dynamite comes in small packages. This is like 34 rand for this one chocolate bar. Oh, it doesn't smell very strong. It's kind of cracked. The blocks just look like this and just says Hersheys on it. Little bits of cookies. And let's taste this. Oh, that's nice. It's very sweet. White chocolate is usually sweet. This is sweet, but not as creamy as Milky Bar. The pieces of cookie that are in here, it's not like Oreo cookie. You know, you get the Cadbury biscuit chocolate. It's got like that dense biscuit in. That's what this biscuit is like. Just chocolate flavor. It's nice, but I can't eat too much of it because it's really sweet. Now that I think about it, this tastes exactly like Oreo McFlurry in a chocolate form. It's like the exact same level of creaminess, sweetness, and biscuitiness. Yes. Next, I have these s'mores flavored Poparts. What brand makes this? Kellogg's. Kellogg's, yes. This is made by Kellogg's. So I don't know why we don't have this in South Africa. I mean, we have Kellogg's cornflakes and cereals. So I got the s'mores flavor because one of my followers on Instagram that I was chatting to, Braden, he suggested getting the s'mores flavor because it's apparently really, really good. So let's try this out. I think I have to heat this first. Wait, let's open this up first. Ooh. Oh, that smells sweet, hey? Oh, you know what this smells like? Oh, it smells like beta snacks. Beta snacks, I think that's what it's called. The caramel flavor beta snacks. You know, they're digestive biscuits. I love those things. And you dip them in your tea or coffee. Mwah, and lick off the chocolate. Smells just like a beta snack. Oh, it's a little bit cracked. This is what it looks like. Oh, and I see there's filling in the center. Let me put this on a plate. It's cracking. So apparently I can put this in the toaster or I can microwave. So we're going to do the microwave for like 3 seconds. I guess until it gets all melty, and then I'll be back. It still smells like a beta snack, but now it smells like a beta snack after I've dipped it in my tea or coffee. So the chocolate thing on the outside still stays kind of hard. The biscuit is soft now. So let me try this out. The plate is a bit hot. I did like 10 seconds. There's like the filling. It looks like a chocolate filling. Wait, I need more. This is tasting weird. Oh! Look! It's like chocolate and marshmallow inside. Oh, that is sweet. That marshmallow is so sweet. For some reason, this is reminding me of a waffle. This biscuit coating tastes like a beta snack. So it must be some type of wheat biscuit thing. Guys, again, if you haven't given this video a like, give it a like because I'm getting diabetes after this. I really like this crispy chocolate on the outside. It adds to the overall texture really well. It's actually like an icing, not really a chocolate. It's a chocolate icing. That was nice. I think I'm going to need more water. Oh, my teeth can't handle this. Oh, next, I want to try this blueberry flavor Laffy Taffy. Yeah, I've heard of Laffy Taffy being a thing, but then with the song on TikTok, you know, shake that Laffy Taffy girl, I think that made me want to try this even more. So yeah, it was really cheap as well. I think it was like 8 rand or something. It smells really nice. I can smell it through the wrapper. It smells like blueberry sherbet. Is that taffy? Because tell me this doesn't look like a fizzer. Wait, are you telling me that this is basically going to be like one long fizzer? No man guys, this is going to taste like a fizzer. I can tell this is going to taste like a fizzer. This tastes like a fizzer. So if you ever wanted to know what Laffy Taffy tasted like, it tastes like a fizzer. A soft fizzer. I say soft because you know the fizzers we always get here are rock hard and brittle. You bite into that fizzer and it goes. It's so rare to find a soft fizzer, you know, and the soft ones mean they're fresh. These house shops have been selling us the stale fizzers for years, eh? Let me put this away. I'm putting all the things in a Ziploc bag to eat for later. I cannot finish the whole thing now. Let's do the Tootsie Roll next. I don't know what this is exactly. To me, I don't know why I feel like this is going to be like a Rolo. A chocolatey thing with a caramel center. I think the packaging reminds me of a Rolo. So let's see what this is. Again, this was really cheap. It was like 9 rand or something. Oh, I do see chocolate, so it is a chocolatey thing. What on earth is this? Oh, this looks like a chocolate flavored thing. Not chocolate. Why? I know what this is. We have this sweet here in South Africa, but I don't know what it's called. It's like a random thing you'd find in a kid's party pack. It's not gummy, but it's like sticky and not chocolate. It's like a chocolate flavored sweet. You know what I'm speaking about, man. You know, if you don't try, you'll never know. So now I know. Next, I want to try this tropical flavor Nerds Rope. They do sell Nerds like in South Africa if you go to like one of the fancy sweet shops. I've just never bought it before. They usually sell the one in the box. I've seen that. But I always wanted to try the rope. Ooh, it smells nice. So it comes in like this little tray. And it's like a piece of, like, I don't know what this is in the center. It's like a piece of, it's like a piece of what looks like, I don't know, like a red jelly candy with like the little Nerds sweets stuck on the outside. Let's try this though. Wait. It's sour? What? I expect it to be sour. But it's not too sour. It's like so nice and crunchy, and it has a sherbety taste. The center reminds me of red licorice. I think this might be my favorite thing so far. I like crunching on these little like beads. So since I had a sour thing, let's have another sour thing. This is watermelon flavor Sour Patch Kids. I've just like seen them eat this in the American movies, you know, Sour Patch Kids. It's a thing. So let's try it. So they literally look like these little gummy watermelon sweets covered with the sour sugar, I'm assuming. Let's see how sour these are. No man, this isn't sour. It's not like super sour. Just gentle sourness. I was expecting this to be really sour. Like those sour jelly babies. Oh my gosh, that thing is so sour it will burn your tongue. It's a soft gummy, not one of those hard tough gummies. It's really nice and easy to chew with the subtle sourness. Oh, this is actually nice. Next, I have a Wonka Bar. I saw they had this and I was like, that's cool. As a kid, I always wanted a Wonka Bar, you know, after watching Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. That was my childhood. You know how often they used to repeat that thing on ETV. I just imagined this to taste like a plain milk chocolate. It's a little bit thicker, not as thin as the Hersheys bar, but still quite flat. I noticed with like our South African chocolates, you know, they're kind of raised. So it looks like it comes in 3 long pieces. It smells like Easter egg chocolate. You know what I mean? Like Easter egg chocolates just has a special taste. Or even like those Father Christmas chocolates. It's also the same type of chocolate. You know what I'm thinking about, hey? There's no writing on this. It's just a plain piece of milk chocolate. This tastes exactly like Beacon chocolate. Beacon Easter bunnies. At least I can say I ate a Wonka Bar. And lastly, I have this birthday cake flavor Kit Kat. And it says it's a limited edition one. I'm imagining a type of fun, fetty chocolate thing going on here. Let's open this. Where's the tear here sign? There's no tear here sign. Now where must I tear? No man. You know I'm used. There we go. I got a tear, but it's not a tear here. Man. You know I'm used to opening my Kit Kat nicely like that. Now they don't. It's broken. But this is what it looks like. It looks really pretty. The little like sprinkles in there. With the wafer. Oh! It actually does kind of taste like birthday cake. Here's the rest of it. Do you know what this actually tastes like? A PS chocolate. And this in the center is like a caramel wafer with a white chocolate. That's exactly what a PS tastes like. I like the little sprinkles though. Makes it fun. I'm not the biggest fan of white chocolate just because it's so sweet. But yeah, it's nice. It really tastes like a PS chocolate with sprinkles. I drank like 2 whole glasses of water just to balance the amount of sugar I took into my body right now. That was really fun. My favorite thing is this tropical rope nerds. My second favorite thing would be like the Sour Patch Kids watermelon thing. I really love soft gummies and it was sweet and sour. And then I'll go with the Hershey chocolate bar as my third favorite because it tastes like an Oreo McFlurry in a chocolate form. Nothing wrong with the other stuff that I bought. It was just really sweet. Oh my goodness. The Pop-Tarts were so sweet, but it was nice. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Please give this video a thumbs up because I'm definitely getting diabetes. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, comment down below. Don't forget to follow my socials, which will be linked down below in the description, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!